Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to deactivate TikTok account very easily, because sometimes we want to deactivate TikTok account. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the TikTok application. So after opening the TikTok application, here you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So after this you can see three lines on the top right corner, and then click on setting and privacy. So after click on setting and privacy, you can see account option. So click on account options. So after this, here you can see deactivate or delete account. So click on it. So here wait some second. So after this, here you can see the options of deactivate account. So click on it and then click on confirm to delete deactivate. So after this, here you will receive a 6-digit code and you have to put that code here. So when you will put the code number, then click on confirm to deactivate account, and then again confirm to deactivate. So you can see my account is deactivate. So you can see there is no any account. So guys, in this way you can deactivate your TikTok account very easily. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.